how to install Spotify Snap in RedHat-like system with Ansible. I'm going to show you in a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Burton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are going to talk about the Ansible module Snap. The full name is community.general.snap, so which means that is part of community.general collection maintained by Ansible community. The purpose of Snap module is to manage snaps in your target system. Parameters. Let me summarize the parameter of the Snap module. The only required is name, where you specify the Snap name to install or remove. The parameter state specify if you would like to perform the install action, option present, or the remove action, option absent. The parameter channel specify which channel to use, default the stable, but you can switch to other as well. The parameter classic allow you the confinement of a snap to have the same level of access to the file system as a classic packages. This could be useful. But let's move on to demo time. I will show you how to install Spotify Snap in RedHat-like system with Ansible playbook. Yeah, you can change Spotify to whatever snap you like it. Wait a minute, where could you find the list of available snap? Go directly to snapcraft.io and you can have the full complete app store for Linux. You can browse the full catalog or also filter by type, the development, games, social, productivity, utility, the photo and video, server and cloud. As you can see, the catalog is pretty huge. I'm always surprised by how many new projects join this technology. It is very interesting to take a look or maybe directly search for what we need. In our case, we would like to find Spotify, the famous music service, and as you can see, there is the latest version is 1.1.77, and we are going to install with Ansible. Installing Snap on Fedora requires somehow more effort than Ubuntu distribution, but following this article on the official Snapcraft website, we are going to automate the things with Ansible. Welcome to my editor. I'm going to start my playbook with a play named Snap module demo that is going to target host all of my inventory. I need root privilege, so let me set become to true, and I don't need facts gathering, so let me disable it. I don't need any variable, so let's begin our task list. First of all, let's verify that all the utility, especially snapd, is present on the target system. Let me use ansible.builtin.yum module to target yum and DNF. This is the full list of packages. First of all, we need snapd, that is a utility to manage snap. Also, I need a fuse, file system user space, squashfs tool to manage the compressed image, and squashfs the squash fuse to interact with that. Also, we need a squash fs module, so let me make sure that the kernel module is present on the target system. State need to be present for all these packages. Other things, okay, second task is to symlink the /snap directory. This is very useful if you are going to use some snap classic. I'm going to use Ansible built-in file. Source directory is /var/lib/snapd/snap, and this will be accessible on the destination of /snap. The state need to be a link, so is a symlink to this directory. Easy busy. Other things, other task is to verify that squashfs kernel module is correctly loaded on the target system. For this task, I need community.general.modeprobe module. This is super easy. I need only to specify the module name, in my case squashfs, and the state must be present. Finally, after all this preliminary work, we are able to install Spotify or whatever snap you want via Snap. So community.general.snap is the Ansible module. Let me specify the name Spotify, as we saw in the snapcraft, and the state must be present. As you can see, in a few lines of Ansible code, I'm able to set up the utility and also some system-wide configuration, and finally install the desired snap. It seems super easy. Let's see the result in the terminal execution. Welcome to my terminal. First of all, let me connect to my demo machine via SSH. DevOps is the username. Fedora.example.com is my target machine. As you can see from OS release, this is the latest 35 Fedora available. And if I'm trying to list the installed snap, the utility is not available. So let me check it out with DNF. The snapd is available but not installed. What we can do, execute our Ansible-playbook. Let me also specify my inventory file under VirtualBox. Oh no, maybe I did a mistake. It's not under VirtualBox, it's under virtual machine. Let me correct. It happened because I'm using VirtualBox as virtualization, but never mind. So virtual machine, Fedora 35, inventory, and the name of my Ansible playbook. I'm expecting this playbook to take some time because first of all you need to interact with YAM or DNF, the package manager or your distribution, set up some packages, kernel module, whatever, set up the link, load the squashfs module, already done, and finally download the Spotify snap from the official repository. This task is going to take a while, depends by the performance of your network and as well of your machine. So don't worry too much. The result, I'm expecting some changes status, which means actions are performed on the target machine. We need only to wait, and as you can see, we already have two changes status. The symlink was already present, probably the package already created. So not big deal, but it's better to check it out if everything is in order. So after more seconds, I was installing Spotify, but as you see in the catalog, the list of snaps is really getting bigger and bigger every day. I still prefer the native application because it uses a local library of Linux and the performance are really better. However, in some use cases, for example, if you need to test some web app and you need really the latest version of Firefox or other use case, could be very convenient to have a Snap or Flatpak alternative. And is getting very popular nowadays. Finally, Ansible finished the task with a changed status on the target machine. What happens if we execute again the same playbook? I'm expecting only OK status. This property is called idempotency because Ansible is verifying that the target machine is in the consistent state. Good job, but is Spotify successfully installed? The only way to check it out is connect via SSH to the target machine. So let me verify manually. SSH DevOps is my username at fedora.example.com. This is my target machine. This time, if I'm executing DNF list of snapd, I'm receiving the list of installed package. Yes, so Ansible successfully configured. Let me verify the status of SquashFS module. Oh, it's not mod probe, is what is ls mod. Here we go. SquashFS is correctly loaded, and let me list also snap directory. Everything is ready, and as you can see, there are some files inside. Better to list with snap list. As you can see, there is not only Spotify but all the dependent snap. So great job. We need now only have fun. You can substitute Spotify to whatever you want and you are ready to go. Good job, Ansible. Now you know how to install a snap in RedHat-like system with Ansible. I show you a demo with Spotify, but you probably understand that you can change to whatever snap you like it. Thank you for watching. If this video saves some time in your journey, give me a thumbs up, write me a comment, and in general, keep in touch with me. Have a wonderful day and see us on the next IT adventure of Ansible Pilot. This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.